Brutal truth. If your retirement is working until something falls off, then this video might be for you. Because you know what? Making 2K online is a lot easier than pretending your body has another decade to go. Let me guess. You don't need to make money online. You just need your back and your knees to be able to hold out a little bit longer, like forever. Let me show you how to quietly make an extra 2K per month on your phone or your laptop. And if you're tired of hearing about them kids making tons of money with their Lambos and their dancing online, telling you to manifest and do all sorts of stuff on whatever app it is you've been watching, stay right here. I'm going to show you a very boring and legal way to create an income online. And if you don't want to start building an income outside of your job, then it's going to get quite expensive because right now, wages are not keeping up with the economy. Everybody's pensions are shrinking. We've all seen it. If you know anybody that's already on a pension, they'll tell you they're not making ends meet. They're living paycheck to paycheck, just like everybody else. And the savings they had, boop, gone. So let's fix that. You spend decades fixing stuff and building stuff for other people, but yet they still say you're unskilled labor. You follow instructions, solve problems, and show up consistent. That's the exact same way that you can create 2K online. No dancing, no begging, no bullshit. And let's face it, nowadays there's a lot of that going on. This isn't a get rich quick video. If that's what you're looking for, skip on. But you're going to want to listen to what's coming up next. Because if that made you uncomfortable, you really should keep watching. What I did is I started selling a digital product that I didn't have to create. I didn't have to store it. I didn't have to build it. I didn't have to ship it. There's no extra cost. All you have to do is marketing. Cut, copy, paste, repeat. Over and over and over again. How to create 2K online. Totally possible. Hear me now, believe me later. I'm rooting for you. If you want to learn how to create an income online, go to the links below. Let's get you started. Let's do it. Let's make it happen.